Best 4th of July ever. So, they shut all the fireworks shows down at Cal Expo, so everybody's having it at their houses instead. Right now, I just opened my door, and it sounds like all of Sacramento is lighting fireworks simultaneously. And guess how many I have? 0. I was gonna drive tonight. I mean, I've never heard anything like it right now. It sounds like a battle zone. See what's going on here. I've got my neighbor over here with Fiesta. I've got these neighbors back here. Oh, there we go. This is awesome. I need to get a beer and come back outside. So great, I love it. And they have a blue screen. No, don't turn it down. Please don't turn it down. I love it. There's my little solar lights. This is great. I love it. There we go.